You just need a few ingredients. First, one of them is a special one being cream of tartar, and that's the only one you have to concern yourself with. The others you probably have at hand, but yeah, you're gonna have to have cream of tartar. I think putting all this probably be too much, but let's see. It's gonna whip up. Let's play it safe. So first, let's get the cream of tartar, and this is a simple thing. Just put the ingredients and whip. This is one of the potent ingredients. It's very intense. Now let's get tiny pinch enough. I have a full cabinet of spices, everything to agar, so you can make the green tea jellies if you like. Nothing out of reach. And in a video I recommend you have all the spices known to man. Now I got some powdered sugar. Just put a couple of tablespoons. A sprinkling of salt. So we're off. Yeah, you should not have the lid on it. Make sure the lid is off when you're sprinkling the salt. Okay. Let's see how it does. I might have jumped the gun a bit and added the ingredients too soon. Maybe I just had to whisk the egg whites first, then add the other ingredients, but I'm gonna try to froth it in the milk frother, see what happened. I'm gonna try to get it to foam in the milk frother. So the DeLonghi plastic milk frother. Now to get cool froth, the manual says you press it until it starts lighting blue. We certainly don't want warm froth, so press. Okay, there we go. let's see what we have, how it's gonna foam up our egg whites. Maybe the lid will help if we put the lid on it. Still not frothing, which I think is a good indication I solid things up a bit. Yeah, so it's not the pancake machine's fault, it's my fault. First whisk the egg whites alone and then add the other ingredients. So now I know, and you know too, I suppose. Just for fun, let's try frothing in the milk frother some egg whites, see how it works. We'll still try the pancake machine, but first let's give this a shot. I don't see why it should not work. It should definitely foam the egg whites. Let's put it. It's the easiest frother ever to use. So hold this down until it lights up blue. They're called frothing in action now, and let's see what happens. So still not seeing any frothing, which is a mystery to me why. So we'll give it a minute or two. Let's put this in speed mode. This is the fourth try and it's not foaming at all. Let's see what it does in heated mode. Let's see if it foams when it's foaming heated. Okay. I'm pretty disappointed. I don't understand why. Maybe there's a scientific reason for it. It's not foaming. Obviously, it's not an easy job. Apparently, it's not very easy to foam egg whites. Maybe we get some savory food out of this. Maybe some scrambled egg whites. We'll see. Again, minimal foaming. It's kind of disappointing. It's making a weird sound. I think just started to do something. It's not smelling like egg yet. think some foam has started. Now it's warm and can't start again, so let's go move on to the pancake machine. We'll get back to this once it has cooled and try again. After 3 minutes, this is what we have. Clearly, it is possible to foam egg whites with it. It was just the process I did before. It was wrong. So I'm not gonna continue with the meringue because I don't have enough egg whites anymore. But as you can see, it is very doable with this machine. The egg whites are frothed, and let's see what we can get from this one. Let's give this another try. Okay, if I don't know why it's flashing blue. I wanna do in heated mode. Oh, it's foaming now. It's on, and okay. But guess it's not turning on because maybe it's still warm. Ouch! Yeah, it's warm. Yeah, it's warm. And it's cooked. So now we understand what happens when you try to froth egg whites in a milk frother. Yeah, doesn't work, and if it's a heating milk frother, it will cook the egg, it will froth it, but cook it as well. Well, I hope you learned a lot today, what to do and what not to do, and how these machines can help you. Let's bring this froth down, and this would be ideal for a meringue. You know, you can just plop a mound of meringue some place. Here, first you take out the egg white that hasn't been whipped at the bottom, and then you do that. Thanks for watching.